What's up everybody, Chris here again, doing something a bit different today though. Getting out of the workshop and come down with Jacob here. We're going to have a clean up on some of these dirt jumps. They've been neglected for quite a while now. Well, it's a couple of years, isn't it?
Yeah, at least.
So we'll got to get out of the workshop. Going to try and spend a bit of time here over the winter and get these cleaned up. Spend a bit more time on the bike. Just got to fix my bike because some drunken idiot broke the front wheel. Ooh! Need the FBI for that case.
I reckon.
But at the moment it's got like this roller, a double here, a double hip, and then a bit of a step up at the end. But we're going to try and figure out how we can make it a longer line. But it's way too steep at that far end, like the bank just falls away. So we're just going to see, maybe start making a bit of a plan today about clearing up into this bush up here and start cutting it, so you actually start further up the hill there, wind your way down. Some sort of big berm or wall ride or something here would be cool, but we're just going to have a bit of a clean up, spend a bit of time sussing out even just these ones for now, and then make a plan up here. Should be good to get back on a bike again. Well, Jacob's going to show me up.
Doubt it.
Whole line at the moment. As you see, they're super deteriorated. Still jumpable, but need a lot of loving. So I'm gonna get the rake out and the spade and have a bit of a clean up and see how far we can get today. Obviously, because there's no water supply way up here, we've got to tramp way over the hill through the bush, fill these bottles up, bring it back, tip them on, backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. This is not too bad though. Alrighty, so we just did like maybe half an hour or so of digging, just built this second landing up. The second one, yeah, because it was pretty much just deteriorated right down to, well, below those limestone rocks because we put those in. So it should help keep a bit of speed up for that next one. We also built the takeoff up a little bit. This corner here was pretty much all gone. So it's starting to pack down alright now. We found some nice clay shit in the bank there. We did put a little bit on this lip here too, but it's quite topsoily sort of dirt. It hasn't packed down super hard, but we'll try it and see how we go. We can always scrape it off and bring some of that clay over. Alrighty, so we did a bit of digging on these and then we decided to start clearing up behind us here. I had to start filming on my phone too because my bloody camera went flat. So where we cleared is, this won't be the start anymore. We're going to go up further around here. Sort of cut a track up there. We should be able to fit. We might build a big Buddha table there, just like a trick table coming down into some sort of hip here maybe. Try and scrub some speed off before the corner. Whoa, Jesus!
Nice trip.
Yeah, send you a postcard next time.
Yeah.
Alright, so Jacob's just going to do a bit of a test run around here, just so I get a rough judgment of speed we can get. It's quite steep, but by the time we dig that flat, it shouldn't be too bad. It should be pretty good. Well, hopefully anyway. Been out of this game for a while, so don't really know what I'm doing anymore. Down.
Nice.
They feel alright?
Yeah, that's sweet. Bit of an angle, but on this bit it'll be good.
Yeah.
Good speed.
I reckon it'll be sweet, eh? By the time we carve. I reckon it'd be cool to do some sort of shark fin or something, so like a hip, take your speed, scrub your speed off.
Not exactly big either. Yeah. Yeah, boy. Yeah.
Already just my first couple of jams on the jumps. Wasn't too bad, but pretty unco. It's gonna take a while for me to get the flow back, but nice. I think part of my problem is not enough speed too. I don't think I'm pumping over the pump enough. So I think I'm still like sketching out of it. But won't take too long. Try and get back into it. It's a different exit strategy.
That was better.
Actually like tucked it in a bit more. Landing on the second one. Try and get it to like. It's actually the faster you hit it, the less sketchier it is.
Definitely. But it didn't really do it justice, eh? A little low but steep. Obviously gonna get built up a lot bigger.
Alright guys, well we're gonna call it a day from here. It's just not too long now until it's gonna be dark, so make our way back to the ute. It's a pretty sweet little dig session. Hopefully we come out here plenty more over the winter, getting ready for next summer. So just checking it out. See you in the next one.